guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to fight like Conor McGregor, and it'll be the first part in the series. We'll go over stance, technique, and favorite combos. 3 favorite combos to be exact. So I hope you enjoy. Now, first off, let's start with stance. Conor McGregor generally stands in the karate type stance
with his feet apart just like this, with 45-degree angle on the back foot and straight on the front.
Now, Conor McGregor generally stands like this. He stands with his front hand out like this, with his hand open, and he's got his back hand right here, a bit lower than your chin. So he stands like this, and he keeps his front hand out. He keeps going like that, so he can, 1, distance manage, and 2, he can deal with your hands and keep them busy. And but I think the most important one, honestly, is probably distance managing. So when he keeps his hand out and you come in across this line, he knows when to hit you. He knows when to counter. He knows when to go back. He knows when he's in range. He knows when you're in range. So he's very good at this. He's very good at this karate style.
Okay, so now I'm going to start talking about technique. And Conor McGregor's got a pretty unique type of technique, not one many people can copy. But I like to try to, and I like to study it. So generally he's got his front hand forward, and he's got his front hand out with the palm, and he's managing distance. Now, with this, he can know when to counter, because if an opponent comes near him, he knows when to pull back, and he knows when he's in range, he knows when the other person's in range, so he can counter them, and he can hit them with his vicious left hand. Okay, so now combos, and the first one's just going to be a pretty simple 1-2 with the jab and the straight left, and I accidentally knocked down my bag. The next one's going to be an uppercut and with the lead hand, and then a follow-up with the straight left. I actually saw this one from MMA Shredded, so go check him out if you want to see a full video on it. Now, this one isn't really a combo, it's more of just a move. So he generally just does a spinning back kick, which I kind of suck at. And I tried to do slow a couple times, and I think I got it, yeah, right there. But he's used it several times, and it's really damaging, and he's very good at it. So I got to give him a lot of credit there.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.